Since Repair Clinic encourages you to perform this repair safely, a warning icon will appear when you should use caution. To replace the oven door switch in this Frigidaire Induction range, you will need a Phillips head screwdriver and a flathead screwdriver. Before you begin the procedure, unplug the power cord or shut off the power supply. Open the oven door and use the Phillips head screwdriver to unthread the 3 screws, securing the main top. With the screws unthreaded, pull the main top forward to fully remove. Next, unthread the 3 screws securing the induction coil support panel. Lift the panel up and support it. Disconnect the wires from the oven door switch. You can use a flathead screwdriver to depress the tabs to release the old switch from the front panel. To install the new oven door switch, snap it into place in the front panel, then connect the wires to the terminals. Remove the support and reposition the induction coil support panel. Thread the 3 mounting screws to secure. Reinstall the main top by aligning the sides under the front support bracket. Then carefully slide the top back, pressing the induction coils down as you do this. With the top in place, thread the 3 screws in front to fully secure it. Plug the power cord back in or restore the power supply, and the induction range should be ready for use.